Okay, in this video we are going to install a new website for our domain. Now in the last couple videos we went from registering a domain name to changing the name servers for our web hosting account and adding the domain name to our web hosting. Now if we look at our browser, our angkorwatcambodia.org, which we've been using in all these videos, doesn't pull up anything. And that's because we've linked it and added it to our web hosting account, but we have no website. Now we need to build a website. So, first step is logging into our web hosting account. Here we are. Now let's scroll down here to a section called Software/Services. Here we are right here. And we want to click on this button, this icon that says Simple Scripts. So in Simple Scripts, we can see here are some other websites that I've installed applications for, such as Joomla and WordPress. There's quite a few websites that I'm using WordPress for. And down here at the bottom, here are all the different software packages we can use for any of our websites. So for this new site, I'm going to use WordPress. So let me click on that. I can basically just click on Install Now. So we need to configure our new website. So the first thing we need to do is select the domain name that WordPress is going to be installed on. So if we hit this drop down here, we can see these are all the domain names I have associated with this web hosting account. And we're going to do this for angkorwatcambodia.org. So after you find it, select it. Next, we can give our website a new name. We don't have to do this right now. We can actually log into WordPress and do it later. But I'll do it now for the heck of it. Okay. Advanced configuration, generate me an administrator login. We want that. Automatically create a new database. We want that too. And down here there's a couple legal disclaimers that we have to mark as read. Now we're ready to complete the installation. And we're done. So here's the URL for our website. Let's take a look at that. And here's our new WordPress website with the default theme. Now let's go back to the Simple Scripts page. And if you know anything about WordPress, you know that WordPress allows you to log in and update your website without having to do any programming. And to get to the admin part of WordPress, we have this link here and a username and password. So I'm going to log in and save this password. Number one, to make sure it works, and number two, so I can have a record of it in my RoboForm. That way I don't need to remember the password. And by the way, because this is a public video, I will be changing the password after I'm done shooting it. And so here is the administrator panel for WordPress. Now this video isn't about using WordPress or anything like that. I'm just showing you that it's set up correctly. I'm able to log in. The site is up and running. Now, as a preview, what we're going to do in the next video is we're going to change the default theme. And to do that, we can download themes or use one theme from my collection, and we're going to upload it to WordPress and use it. So that will be covered in the next video. So as you can see, it's quite easy to build a new website. What was that, 3 clicks? Maybe two minutes at most. So I hope you enjoyed this, and stay tuned to the next video where we are going to upload a new theme.